Welcome to the biggest YouTube bowling collaboration you're ever gonna see. Woo! So we got a handful of YouTubers that do bowling content as well. We have D-Star Productions, 220 average bowler, half of TV Bowling Supply, Michael Tang, and Forrest Kritzer, and the People's Choice, Ryan. He represents everybody that's out there watching this video. Today we were doing a strike derby. You may have seen this on the PBA tour. You get 2 minutes to throw as many shots as possible. We have 6 creators here, well, 5 creators and Ryan. Let's go see who's gonna go first. So he's got a hat of names and we're gonna choose who's gonna go first. Raph is also going to be re-racking all the racks for us. Shout out Thick Boys Bowling Club. That's right. Yeah, he's wearing the shirt. Follow their Instagram. You get some Thick Boys Bowling Club merch. I'm not gonna look. We're gonna pick a name. 220. Oh, Mario. Let's go. First up is gonna be 220. Second up is gonna be D-Star. I accidentally looked at this one, but I'm going third. Fourth is going to be Ryan, the People's Choice. Fifth is going to be Forrest. No. And rounding out the 6th is going to be TV Bowling Supply's finest, Ball Splanations Tang. Let's get going.
Ready?
I think better fast for that.
This is gonna make me not want.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Wheel!
Oh, no.
Forrest, my brother, myself, and 220, we all grew up bowling against each other.
Push.
Not off to a hot start.
I'm not cheering against him, but I'm not cheering for him.
Oh,
no.
Get wrecked.
Oh, my God.
Oh, Gary. Lucky. Over under 1.5. How are we looking on time?
That's got to be nut. Oh, my God. That hit so bad.
30 seconds for 4 throws. I don't know, man. This is a marathon right here.
Wheel. Wheel.
He just doesn't have. Your job is to make Raph's job easier.
They're just that hard.
He's certainly
Said no one ever at South
All right,
Pole.
so we don't have to go in order.
He's definitely not making
whatever rack is ready for us.
I guess. Wheel. Oh, my God.
Has he gotten 1 yet?
No. Yeah, one.
He's 1? Oh, 2?
There it is.
There's one of also 5, 7, 10.
I'm feeling pretty good about not coming in last, I'll be honest. Not saying I'm gonna win.
Oh, that's one. Hit.
There it is.
Yeah.
He chose wrong.
Oh, my God.
48.
Wheel.
Is that the hard lane?
That's 2 gutters on
That's the hard lane.
This is a workout. That's got a chance.
You could probably yell at a minute and 30, yeah. 15 seconds!
Hit. Hi, boy. Let's go. That's money. Hook, hook. Not money.
3, 2, 1. Wait, who's counting how many he's got?
That's like 7, right?
7?
Was that 7?
6 or 7, yeah.
That's not bad.
6 or 7? How many was it?
That was an epic last shot.
That was good. That's content.
That's harder than it looks.
I was gonna say, I feel like I'm already underestimating the running aspect.
All right.
I work out every day. That was still really difficult. You're throwing 4 different balls in 4 different lanes. All 4 lanes are a little bit different. Then you're running the entire time.
Do you think 7 is enough to make the finals?
That's got a chance. Let me know in the comments. Will I survive? They're so jacked.
Yeah, well, you just keep, you gotta screw in yourself. Oh, good chuck. Oh, he's making the mistake of watching.
He's slow.
He's going for quality.
Quality over, you
didn't do
you
that.
just gotta throw 8 good ones. I mean,
Oh, he's torching the lane. Oh, I don't like it. Nah, you're fine.
Defending Derby champion, man. With the straight ball.
He's methodical.
oh no.
Methodical. He's saving his energy for the end.
Is that what we're calling
Those
this?
are nuts.
He's trying to make sure he gets enough
That might be the
to
move.
beat
Just going
220.
nice and slow and actually lining up.
He's got 3.
I think 7 doesn't have a chance. 7's got no chance.
It's gotta go.
Oh, the two-hander oil. They don't have to deal with it.
The left foot's hooking.
Maybe
left.
7 is good.
I don't think he knows that.
That looks okay. Uh-oh. That's about as perfect as a shot gets.
They're pretty nut.
That was gross.
Is that 4?
The two-hander oil.
Oh
made
my
it.
God, he's
Was
giving
that
you
6?
the business.
6?
I think it's
That's
5. Yeah, 5. Because he got 3 on the first run. That's 6. Oh God. Oh, it's not 6.
Dang. Oh my God.
I thought you said that was the greatest ball ever.
A little slow.
Catch?
Nut.
No.
He's gonna be the one to beat.
He's hooking
This
left.
man immediately.
30 seconds. Time flies when you're throwing the ball with 2
That lane's
hands.
concerning.
Avoid 46 at all costs.
Yeah.
You just gonna call it a 5?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
we'll
gets
start
1 ball.
Oh, the other one's still up.
Hey! What do we have?
Is that 8?
I think it's 7.
We need an official counter.
He's got it.
Dizzy's got it. Dizzy's got it. 4!
3, 2, 1.
Didn't even try.
8. 8.
Nailed it.
8?
Stuff.
There we go.
Nasty.
I thought you
I
guys.
thought he was crushing it way harder than that. It's your boy's time to shine.
I'm,
All right,
I'm
all right,
slightly
all right, I'm going. Yeah. Oh, this thumb hole is
The
huge.
dreaded 46.
Oh, God.
Hey.
Hook.
Hooked.
2.
Oh no.
Those are nutter butters.
Four.
Oh, it's upside down. I can't throw that ball anymore.
Is it gooder?
Uh-oh.
Gary.
That's gonna make it. That's gonna make it.
We're starting to look harder and harder by the minute.
All right, so he's got the pace much higher, that's for sure.
I'm so tired.
6.
What's he at?
6.
I know
I
we're
got the
doing a
Euro
hit
step
workout
going and
today.
everything. Hey.
Push. Gary.
Needs at least 1, probably 2. Needs it.
Hey, oh. There it is.
4, 3, 2, 1.
How do you leave that one?
7.
Tied for second thus far?
There he is leading the way still.
I have no words. It was a lot easier on the PBA one because our strike count was up there. We knew how many we had. We knew if we could take some time or not.
I didn't realize 2 minutes of bowling was that much.
Hot start.
Watch it.
Wait, I got 7.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Watch, there's gonna be a 5-way roll off at 7.
This man's getting defeated.
He's gonna get like 20 right now. Oh, oh my God. Front 3.
Yeah, we're dust.
It's got a chance. Oh shit.
One thumb hole is so fucking big.
You're gonna have to throw 50% of it two-handed.
Huh? Yeah.
That sucks.
These might pick to win.
I could go 1-1 and then 2-handed.
Dude,
2-handed, 1-1,
you know that feeling when you like, you run really hard and you get that, like your chest?
Where it hurts?
Where it hurts.
Jeez.
He's at 6 already.
He can just take his time. The man of the people, Ryan.
Me too. 7.
That's your winner.
The Royale.
That's true.
8, 9.
Oh my God.
9 or 10.
What are we at? He's at 10 with 30 seconds to go. Go. 11.
He's setting
So
himself.
I'm gonna
too.
extend this thing so far that no one has a chance. Oh, that's a bad break. That's a bad rack. I thought they were working on the racks here.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Bam.
Good round. Killed it.
Saving lives and drone strikes.
That's the people's champ right there.
Damn, if you guys didn't know, he works in a hospital, so
This is true.
can we get some, I don't know, how do we do salute
Give
to
me
the,
some hospital
salute
love,
to the
man.
comments. All right, 9 to get in the final so far.
Have to go two-handed. Have enough thumbs.
You should just go two-handed, man.
Let's go two-handed.
That's pretty good.
The mid-derby switch.
The strike derby's got it all. So not everybody was entirely prepared. Forrest only has 2 thumbs. I think Ryan only
carry that.
Did you have 2 thumbs?
I have 2 thumbs. Well, I have 4 thumbs. 2 don't fit, basically.
I dropped it.
Will.
Hook.
Could you imagine we had a penalty? You lose a strike if you throw in the gutter.
Kind of shit up.
Wheel. Oh my God.
What's he got, 4?
This two-handed's throwing me off.
3, 4? 3. 1 minute.
1 minute.
I'm dying.
Hook.
Curve.
Back.
Wow.
There's just no way I'm posting a shot like that.
Oh. It almost helped. I think I was turning around a little too quick.
Hook. This bear's getting hard. Brooklyn.
Oh! He did a packy. Bad rack.
Oh my God.
Oh! 48's a little tight to the right.
Brooklyn. What are we at? How many?
So oily.
Oh. Wait, who's got 8? D-Star?
Yeah.
D-Star's got 8.
There.
Oh. It's terrible.
I like how we just all gave up on the count. We stopped thinking
Nah.
about it.
Word for the fans.
Forrest or 5?
That was an epic fail. Should have brought more thumbs.
I'll get you a water. All right, some could say a favorite, professional bowler, very versatile, can pretty much play the same line as the people's choice. Wow, a little too much catch. Almost strikes anyways.
Huh? There's so much hang right before they're flying.
Slow start.
I know. My chest still hurts.
Brooklyn!
Dang.
That's trouble. You're looking pretty good.
Actually, sick. Do I get a bike vest?
There's no bye, it's just straight to the finals.
Straight to the finals.
I believe in 3 getters. It's crazy. It's hard to wait that long.
I feel the same way though. I need to recover a little bit. I was like, how fast do I go? And, yeah,
I did 2-handed actually better for me.
there it is.
I think it needs them all.
More of your strikes are two-handed.
Yeah.
You know, we have 4 lanes, but I don't.
He was
We're
smart
throwing
because he
so
set himself
many.
every time.
I mean, obviously the best in the world were on that other strike derby. There's one.
Hey.
Oh, we got 2?
That's 3.
3? He's got a chance. He's still got a chance.
They're not easy anymore.
He needs a 5-bagger. Oh. Oh,
Definitely a disadvantage going last. The lanes are getting really burned up quick.
There we go. 4. Perfect ball reaction. And no racks.
Now he has to wait for
4 lanes and no racks.
48, 48.
Uh-oh. Catch.
Will. I thought I was gonna make it.
Brooklyn?
Get it.
Lanes aren't close to the same.
No, they're hard. How many did you get?
4.
4?
Is that
Hey
last
man,
place?
give yourself some more credit.
Let's go, not last. Thank you, Mikey.
The number 1 seed is
What am
going to
I-
make the rules.
At the same time, 45?
We'll vote on
Steal
it.
after you. Yes, steal after you.
Was that his idea or yours? I mean, as the number 1 seed, you should get some kind of advantage.
Let's do it. All right, let's do it.
We should go play defense.
He's playing straight
Wait,
afterwards.
should we have somebody else keep track of the others? You got both? He's gonna win! Oh, you can't stop the D-Star!
Oh no.
He's the Death Star!
It's kind of exciting. Both doing it at the same time.
Yeah.
You take it.
He's got like 4 already.
Bro's so nut.
He hasn't thrown 4.
Straight was really the play.
Oh no.
Shut him up.
Oh no.
We need this across like 8 lanes. Oh! We should have made it 5 minutes.
Oh!
Can we change the rules and make it 5 minutes?
Definitely pass out.
Oh no.
You gotta roll it down to like lane 31.
I don't think anyone's beating Thick Boy.
Wheel!
Straight's definitely
Damn
the
it.
play.
Damn it.
I mean, it's not a no. He's got a chance.
Fight over the lane. Fight over the lane.
Take his set off.
We're cutting from him.
No. There we go.
Grab his thick ass.
Get back.
Hey, he's got a chance.
Play your lane. That's what I'm talking about.
He just ball in the same lane, Darren.
48.
Oh, that's striking.
No. Come on.
Oh, he messed up.
3, 2, 1.
I have no idea.
That was awesome.
Good job, guys.
All right, so I did mention this is the first time this has ever been done, so some things need to get worked out. Do let us know if you want to see this again, because we had a good time watching that. I hope you guys had a good time watching that. Yeah, they're all linked in the description below. Follow Ryan on Instagram. I don't know what it is, but
Boys
that should be
Bowling
linked in the description below as well. Oh yeah, Thick Boys Bowling Club. Go buy some of their merch. He's a winner. Victorious. They deserve it. Silent Solutions for the camera production. We had a lot of help here. So thank you guys. Thank you everybody for making this happen. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next challenge.